Alright, dude, we got it.
Hey, look how big that hoe is.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Right there. That's from McDonald Muscle. I looked up and I said, these motherfuckers big my shit up.
Finna do a full exhaust. Get back with y'all guys when we done.
You take a beat up. You take a beat up.
On my kids. Kids can't be smoking, they gonna be on my ass. They ain't never seen what is
Daddy,
that,
what
Daddy?
you doing?
What are you doing? Hold on now, y'all took over my job, man.
My man, boy, we get in and get work, boy.
We used to do all the time.
Me.
Shit, honestly,
Spray slow?
I could just pull this bitch off.
Go up and down with that. Try to
Yeah, cause it's on here. That on that. I guess we'll have to go to the back.
Start on the back.
That's why I was thinking about just unscrewing this shit.
Oh, yeah.
If I just go and unscrew it,
it'll drop.
Yeah.
What's up?
But this mug got two pull inside part too. But y'all ever want to go out somewhere to eat, boy?
Where to go?
Yep. Hammered Cow.
Hammered Cow, what is it?
Downtown. Oh my god. That's a fire burger. Smash burgers. I mean,
That's the old one now.
Took the old one out.
Yeah.
Get the new one in. Check it out. Put it up under there.
My fucking hand so greasy.
Oh yeah. I should have take these.
I see that dog in that house.
Oh.
You got it out.
There's a dog in that house. So he was in that dog in that house.
oh, when you first, tap the cake.
Yeah, I just heated it. Not too loud. That bitch smoke, yeah. He did.